Good morning, children. Welcome back to English Literature session of Standard 1. Today we will do exercise of lesson number 3 from textbook Magnolia English Reader. First I will revise story of Billy. Billy is a leopard cub. He lives with his mother in a zoo. Mother wants to give him bath, but Billy does not want bath. So he lies on big rock. See here, he is lying on big rock, but rock is hard. Then he sits on a stump, but stump is also hard like a rock. Then he lies down on the grass and rolls in mud. See here, you can see mud all over his body. Yes. Now Billy needs bath. Then his mother gave him bath. How mother gave him bath? By licking his body. So this was the story of Billy. So let's do exercise of the lesson. Words to learn. First I will read the hard words. Number 1, Leopard, leopard. Number 2, spots, spots. Number 3, lives, leaves. 4, rock, rock. Number 5, mother, mother. Number 6, stump. Number 7, hard. Number 8, every. Number 9, grass, grass. Number 10, soft. Number 11, squishy. 12, needs. Number 13, licks. Number 14, clean. Number 15, again. Okay, now we will do exercise. So children, open page number 19 of Magnolia English Reader. So here you can see questions. Let's read. Answer these questions. We have to find out the answers. Okay. First one is, who is Billy? The answer of this question is, Billy is a leopard cub. Number 2, where does Billy live? What is the answer of this question? Billy lives in a zoo with his mother. Okay, question number 3 is, what does mother want to do? The answer of this question, mother wants to give him bath. Now, let's read question number 4. Is the tree stump soft and squishy? Yes. What is the answer of this question? No, the tree stump is hard like rock. Okay, question number 5. Why does Billy need a bath? And the answer is because Billy rolls in the mud, which is soft and squishy. Put these phrases in the correct order. Write 1 to 5. Okay, let's do it. Let's read first. A is lies down on the grass. Needs a bath. Lies down on a big rock. Rolls in the mud. Sits on the stump of a tree. Okay, so children, what we have to do here, we have to give numbers according to the sequence. Okay, the first, what happened first? Lies down on a big rock. So right there, number 1. Okay, after that, what happened? Sits on the stump of a tree. So right there, 2 number. Yes. Then third, what happened after, when he sits on the stump, what happened after that? Lies down on the grass. So right there, number 3. Next, rolls in the mud. Right there, number 4. Then needs a bath. Number 5. Okay. So like this you will do in the textbook. Okay. See, think and answer. See here, questions are given. Let's see. First question is, why does Billy rolls in the mud? Does he like it? Okay, the answer is because Billy does not want a bath. And does he like it? Yes, he likes it. Next is, how does Billy's mother give him a bath? Okay. Second question, how does Billy's mother give him a bath? Okay, so what is the answer? Billy's mother give him bath by licking his body. Children, open page number 20. Add, add S to make more than 1. Okay, so let's do it. What we have to do here, we have to add S to make it plural. See here, 1 and this side many. 1 star, many stars. STAR star, STARS stars. 1 pen, PEN pen, PENS pens, many pens. Okay, BAG bag, BAGS bags. GIRL girl, GIRLS girls. SHOP shop, SHOPS shops. EGG egg, EGGS eggs. Okay, so now B is circle the male words and underline the female words. You got how to do now? Okay, let's do it. We have to circle the male word. Okay, here woman. Woman is female. So we will underline that. King. King is male. So circle. Uncle. Uncle is male. Circle it. Sister. Sister is female word. So underline this. Now QUEEN queen. Queen is female. Underline. Then man. MAN man. Man is male word. So circle it. BROTHER brother. Brother is also male word. So circle it like this. Then GRANDMOTHER grandmother. Grandmother is female word. Okay, so underline this. Then AUNT aunt. Aunt is also female word. So underline. Lion, 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 male word. So we have to circle like this. Then girl, 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 female, underline. Prince, PRINCE, prince. Prince is male word. So we will circle. Then boy. Okay, boy is there. So we have to circle this. Boy. Why we circle this? Because it is male word. Then princess. Princess is female word. So underline this. Then Linus. Linus also female word. So underline this. Then GRANDFATHER grandfather. That is male word. We have to circle this. Okay. Do this like this. Okay. Children, open page number 21. Match the animals to the names of their young ones. Okay, let's do. First one is hen. Okay, what we call the baby of hen? Chick. So, where is chick? This is chick. Now, match it. Yes, done. CAT, cat, and the baby of cat known as kitten. So, match it. Then DUCK, duck. Baby of duck, duckling. So match it. COW, cow. And baby of cow is calf. Match like this. Okay. LION, lion. The baby of lion, cub. Then HORSE, horse, and baby of horse is foal. So match it like this. Done. Now children, open page number 23. Okay, let's read what we have to do here. Put these words in the correct order to form sentences. Okay, so here you can see words are given. You have to form a sentence. Okay, first one is zoo leaves a Billy in. So what will be the correct sentence? Let's see. Billy lives in a zoo. Done. Okay, now next one is his plays he mother with. Okay, now which is the correct, what is the correct sentence of this? He plays with his mother. Number 3 is Vaughn does not bath a he. Okay, so here what is the correct sentence? He does not want a bath. You got? Okay, next. Number 4 is rolls Billy the mud in. Okay, so here what is the correct sentence? Billy rolls in the mud. Number 5, him his licks mother. The correct sentence is his mother licks him. So this was the lesson of Billy. Okay, lesson number 3, Billy gets a bath. Thank you for watching, children.